Hello YouTube! Today we will be doing St. Louis style pork spare ribs. Process will be simple one. Open, wash, put rub. You can check rub video, it's on my channel. It's a universal rub, that means you can cook it and just eat it, but through the cooking process we will be smoking them, and we will be adding some honey and honey spice mixture on some of them. Again, it will be not only two, I usually do a little bit more because it involves some process. So instead of cooking two, I can do 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 or more. So let's get started. We would need to take excessive water out, so you can just pat dry them or leave them for a little bit covered with the paper towels. As you see, I'm using simple tray that water will not go on sides, and you don't need to make it perfectly dry, as spices will not stick. Then you probably could use a mustard for the base. We will need to remove the membrane. That's the next step. So you see, membrane is out, it exposes meat. Actually, it's easier for spices to get through, and we need to repeat that for as many slabs we have. So let me continue to work. When I will remove it, after drying, removing, then we will see each other again. We will be applying the rub. So we remove the liner. Now we're ready to put spices. Everything is simple. Be generous. Even if it will be too much in one spot, we will be moving that around. And you see, I did approximately 2 spoons on the side. Now let's spread it a little bit. Let's massage it into the meat. And let's do other sides. While it's in the spices, it needs to stay. Suggestion is probably at least 2 hours. Overnight is the best, because again, the brown sugar, which is the main base for the mix, will be pushing the water out and getting into the meat, tenderizing it. And then we will be cooking. and actually I would leave in the fridge in my container. This way it will be covered and the refrigerator would not smell. So keeping things simple. It's already in. As you see, a couple layers of it. It's too high. I had a couple racks. They're different. They hold ribs different. I like that one on the top the best. Though, again, probably the best would be to put half of the slab into each of them, not the whole slab. But that would work still perfectly. Now let's close it, let's keep the temperature. As of now, again, I know that it's a little bit, it shows low. It should be about 225, 250, depends what you're pushing. All that makes time. Usually I do couple hours on the max. Again, watch the temperature, depends on the BTU of the unit. And after that, as you see, it's rising. After that, after an hour or so, hour and a half, we will attach the generator and we will be smoking them. That will enhance additional flavor. And after probably maybe 3 hours, it's cold outside, so maybe after 3 hours I will wrap them in aluminum foil and I will be steaming the rest of the way, probably for another 2 hours. So it's a 4-5 hour process, but it's tasty process. Generator is attached. It's smoking. Here we are. Of course it's dripping. I already switched the places. This was on the bottom. And accordingly. And we just wait. I could adjust cold. In this case, I could adjust heat in the back. Temperature increased a little bit, but it's still not through. It's still about 200. Bad visibility. We will see. Here it is, all of the ribs wrapped into the aluminum foil. And they just will be here for an hour or two, and then it will be done. So that's what we have. And juice is still dripping.